Hello, my name is Joe First, and on behalf of Dr. Gary Stewardson and the research team at Utah State University, I want to thank you for volunteering to help us in our research. Your contributions will greatly assist us in seeing how VEX Robotics is helping students in their education. With your help, we will be able to share a lot of information about what students are learning with supporters of VEX and other decision makers. We will be able to tell school administrators and other officials the benefits of VEX Robotics and how supporting VEX Robotics can help students succeed. Now that you have volunteered to help, what are we asking you to do? We have created a short survey with a list of task statements that successful VEX teams should be able to perform during the season. You will be asked to rate your level of confidence in being able to perform each of the tasks. You will be asked to complete this survey once or twice per year until you graduate from high school. After you graduate from high school, we will ask you to complete another short survey once per year, which will ask you a few questions about your major and your progress in college. Before you can begin the survey, we need to explain the letter of information that you received. We are looking for 2,000 student participants who are on a competitive VEX Robotics team. If you agree to be in this research study, you will be asked to complete a 15 to 20 minute survey once per year until you graduate from high school. If this is your first year participating in VEX Robotics, you will be asked to take the survey twice this year, once at the beginning of the season and once at the end. After you graduate from high school, you will be asked to complete another 10 to 15 minute survey once per year until you graduate from college. If you are not currently planning on attending college, you are still invited to participate in this study. Participation in this study is completely voluntary and will only involve minimal risk to you. If at any point during the study you decide you wish to withdraw or drop out, simply stop answering survey questions and close the survey you are on. You may be withdrawn from the study by the researchers if any of your surveys are incomplete or missing data. You should know that there is no direct benefit to you for participating in this study. However, as mentioned earlier, the information gained from this study will be invaluable to the VEX community. We want you to know that the information we collect, including your name and contact information, will be kept confidential on a secure computer and will only be viewed by the research staff. Your name and contact information will be removed from your survey answers and replaced with a study identifier in order to protect you. Your name and contact information will only be used for the purpose of contacting you about the study and to link your survey responses from year to year. If you have any questions about the letter of information, please feel free to contact Dr. Gary Stewardson or the Institutional Review Board Administrator at the email address shown on the screen. Now that I have explained the letter of information, I will explain how to complete the survey. You should remember that not every VEX Robotics participant is good at every task needed for success in VEX Robotics. That is why we work in teams. Every team member brings unique skills to the team, such as building, programming, and driving. Therefore, not everyone will respond to each task statement in the same way. There are no right or wrong answers. The only right answer is your honest opinion. Now I will show you an example question from the survey. In this question, there is a task statement which reads, "I feel confident that I can explain the design trade-offs between speed and torque." You will rate your confidence level to perform the task by agreeing or disagreeing on a 5-point scale, 1 meaning that you strongly disagree and 5 meaning that you strongly agree. Remember, not every person will answer the same way. An experienced builder might strongly agree with this particular statement, but a programmer might strongly disagree, or anything in between, and that's okay. The most important thing is that you are honest and truthful when responding to the task statements. Once again, on behalf of the research team at Utah State University, I sincerely thank you for participating in this research study for the future benefit of VEX Robotics. Now, in the spirit of VEX, let the survey begin in 3, 2, 1, go!